Making money for students has never been this easy. This side hustle is a moneymaker like no other, and the best part is that you can do it while working or studying. How awesome is that? Hey everyone! In this video, we'll show you how to get started and the steps you need to take to be successful as a test prep tutor. Becoming a test prep tutor is easy, as it requires no upfront capital or rental space for you to conduct your business. Stick around to the end of the video to find out how to truly find the best possible way to make money with this method. For more business ideas that will help you become financially independent, make sure to subscribe to this channel. But first, let's start with a question. Have you ever considered becoming a tutor? Maybe you're a student looking to earn some extra cash, or perhaps you're a teacher or professional looking to supplement your income. Either way, tutoring can be a highly lucrative and rewarding career. Now, you might be wondering, but isn't tutoring just one-on-one sessions with a student? While this is certainly one way to go about it, it's not the only way. In fact, there are several different ways to make money as a tutor, and we're going to be discussing them all today. First, let's talk about the traditional one-on-one tutoring model. This is where a tutor works with a student individually, either in person or online, to help them prepare for a specific test or subject. While this can be a very effective way to help students, it can also be time-consuming and expensive. One way to make this model more efficient and cost-effective is by using multiple people instead of just one tutor. This is known as a semi-private tutoring system, where a group of students are tutored together by one or more tutors. This can be a great option for students who are looking to save money on tutoring costs, as it allows them to split the cost of the session among themselves. Another popular tutoring model is the group tutoring system. This is where a tutor works with a group of students at once, helping them to understand and master a particular subject. This type of tutoring is often more cost-effective than the one-on-one model, as it allows the tutor to work with multiple students at once. With this model, a tutor works with a student over the internet, usually through video chat. This is a great option for those who don't have the time or resources to meet with a tutor in person, and it can also be a great way to reach a wider audience. As a test prep tutor, there are several benefits that you can enjoy. Here are just a few. Flexibility. As a tutor, you have the ability to set your own schedule and choose when and where you work. This allows you to fit your tutoring sessions around your other commitments, such as a full-time job or school. High earning potential. Tutors can charge a premium for their services, especially if they have a track record of helping students achieve their goals. This means that tutoring can be a highly lucrative career, especially if you're able to take on a large number of clients. Personal fulfillment. Tutoring can be a deeply rewarding career, as you have the opportunity to help students achieve their goals and succeed. Seeing your students succeed can be a source of great personal fulfillment and satisfaction. Professional development. Tutoring requires you to stay up to date on the latest teaching techniques and best practices. This means that you'll constantly be learning and growing as a professional, which can be a great way to boost your career prospects. Personalized learning. One of the great benefits of tutoring is that it allows for personalized learning. As a tutor, you can tailor your teaching style and methods to suit the needs of your students, which can be particularly helpful for students who may struggle in a traditional classroom setting. Improved communication skills. Tutoring requires you to be an effective communicator, as you'll need to explain complex concepts in a way that's easy for your students to understand. This can help you to develop strong communication skills that can be beneficial in a variety of settings. Overall, being a test prep tutor can be a highly rewarding and fulfilling career that offers a great deal of flexibility, earning potential, and professional development opportunities. If you are passionate about helping others succeed, tutoring may be the perfect career path for you. But what if you want to take your tutoring business to the next level and reach even more students? That's where scaling comes in. By using online platforms such as webinars or online course delivery systems, you can reach students from all around the world and greatly expand your client base. You can also use social media and other digital marketing channels to promote your services and build an even larger tutoring business. Scaling your tutoring business can help you reach more students and make more money. However, it can also be a challenge to manage. You'll need to invest in the right technology and resources, as well as stay up to date on the latest trends in tutoring. Moreover, you'll need to put in time and effort to develop effective marketing strategies and build relationships with potential students. So, how can you balance the demands of a tutoring business with a full-time job or school schedule? One option is to offer tutoring sessions during evenings or weekends. This way, you can still focus on your studies or career during the day and still make a significant income as a tutor. Another option is to create a flexible schedule for your tutoring business. You could use a scheduling app or software to manage your clients and their appointments. This way, you can arrange tutoring sessions around your existing commitments and make the most of your time. Finally, you can employ other tutors to help you out. This way, you can ensure that you have enough staff to meet the demand while still having the flexibility to manage your own schedule. Here is an example of a college student called John. Use him to get a good idea of what your business might look like. John is a college student who is majoring in biology. He has always been passionate about teaching and helping others succeed, so he decided to start a tutoring business to help students prepare for the biology subject test. John's tutoring business operates from 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. on weekdays and from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. on weekends. This allows him to focus on his studies during the day and tutor in the evenings and weekends. To advertise his services, John creates a website and a social media page where he can showcase his qualifications and offer information about his tutoring packages. He also reaches out to local schools and tutoring centers to see if they can refer students to him. After a few months, John has built up a client base of 10 students who are all preparing for the biology subject test. He charges $50 per hour for one-on-one tutoring sessions and $30 per hour per student for semi-private sessions with groups of 2 to 3 students. In a typical week, John works with 3 one-on-one students for a total of 3 hours per week and 3 semi-private groups for a total of 9 hours per week. This means he earns a total of $450 per week from one-on-one sessions and $810 per week from semi-private sessions for a total of $1,260 per week. Overall, John's tutoring business is a great way for him to earn some extra cash while he's in college, and it allows him to do something he's passionate about, helping others succeed. Plus, the flexible schedule means he can focus on his studies during the day and still have time for his tutoring business in the evenings and weekends. In conclusion, it is good to remember that tutoring isn't just about the money. It's also a great way to share your knowledge and help students succeed. Whether you're a student looking to earn some extra cash or a professional looking to supplement your income, tutoring can be a highly rewarding and lucrative career. So, if you're interested in becoming a tutor, don't be afraid to take the plunge. With the right strategies and a little bit of hard work, you can turn your tutoring business into a thriving and successful enterprise. What are your thoughts on test prep tutoring? Have you been a tutor yourself or been tutored before? Tell us in the comments section below. Also, if you're new to this channel, I strongly encourage you to subscribe and click the like button. You can also keep up with all of my most recent videos. See you in the next one.